Welcome to WebStarpress. How to update nested state in ReactJS. Let's say we have nested state like this. State, user, and then inside user we have got name and age. Then we have address, and inside address we have got street, city, and distance. So this is the state. It's user information. Under address we have more values. We want to change just one value, distance. How can we do it? First, let's display the values from state. So user information, name, age, street, city, distance. State.user.name, state.user.age, and then state.user.address, then street, state user address, city, state user address, distance, because distance is under address. So now let's take a button here. On click, this on click function will be fired. Increment distance. Let's display the distance here as well. Let's declare this function here as well. So this is the distance. It's being displayed in button as well. On click of this button, this should update only this distance, nothing else. This should update, and this is the nested state. So it will be like this. Set state, prevState, here, prevState. This is spread operator. So the spread operator is being used here to maintain immutability and to ensure that only the selected property is updated while the rest of the state remains unchanged. So spread operator, prevState, then user, this prevState dot user, this user, then inside we have got address, prevState dot address, prevState dot user dot address, because we have got first we've got user, then we have got address, prevState dot user dot address, and then distance. Distance will be prevState dot user dot address dot distance plus 1, like this. Let's see. Yes, it's being updated. So prevState spreads the entire previous state to keep everything intact. prevState.user spreads the user object to preserve other properties like name and age. prevState.user.address spreads the address object to preserve properties like street and city, while only updating distance. Increment distance function updates the distance property inside the address object by incrementing it by 1. And this spread operator is used to maintain immutability and ensure that only the distance property is updated while the rest of the state remains unchanged. And this is how we update nested state in ReactJS. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.